How to record voiceover in NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for NanoBanana AI. After that, navigate to its website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to record the voiceover in this NanoBanana AI website, what you need to do is, if you are using Android, you can head over to your settings. On your phone settings, scroll down and find the option of accessibility and tap on it. On Android, you will have this feature of talkback. If you tap on it, this is a feature that provides the spoken feedback, so it will give you the voiceover of whatever it is in the screen. So when you go to the NanoBanana website and you can turn on this talkback feature, it will provide you with the voiceover. Here is the step-by-step process on how to use talkback. The most important thing is you need to turn it on. You can go to this NanoBanana website and turn on the talkback feature. And that's how we can easily record voiceover in NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.